Hey guys, how's it going? So today's video is actually inspired by this top, bra that I bought from Primark, and I got a few things from Primark and they're all like Y2K, Barbie stuff, and I am obsessed. Even though it was very cold yesterday, it's still really cold today as well, and I was not feeling okay, right? It took everything out of me just to wash my hair, even though I always love getting a shower and I love the feeling of it, but it took me all of my willpower just to get ready, and then it then took all my willpower just to do this. And again, my brain, I know that I enjoy doing this, but I also just have not been okay recently, so it's really been like difficult just to do the basic things like washing your hair. But I wanted to do like a Barbie kind of Y2K inspired makeup, and it was fun, okay? I love this kind of thing, even though most of the time I'm wearing black and look like The Walking Dead. I also love pink, and I'm laughing at the fact of how different my eyes look, like with a bit of primer. And now the powder to make me actually look like I'm not The Walking Dead. But like I was saying, yes, I love Barbie. When I was a child, I had many Barbie dolls, and Cindy and Shelley and all that. I used to have loads of Polly Pockets. I still have all of my Polly Pockets, and honestly, I feel like some of them are collector's items, and I'm not getting rid of them anytime soon, but I feel like some of them, they're pretty goddamn old, and I know that some of them may be like rare because I have like Disney ones, and like I even have like a Pokemon thing as well. Anyway, going way off like track, but yeah, I am a 90s kid. I was born in 92. I'm 31 in June. Let's not have an existential crisis. I'm also using whatever the foundation is, the kind and free one from Rimmel, I do believe, because I was like, I want to look like I actually have some colour in my face and look a little bit tanned. And this foundation, it's more like a tinted moisturiser, to be honest. It's really quite thin and I only put a little bit on, but look, I look like I actually have colour in my skin. It's amazing. And now we're doing the contour. I genuinely did not know what to do with the contour. I'm like, Barbie has like a really thin nose because she's a doll, but I suck at doing nose contour, and it doesn't matter how many videos I watch, I still can't get that really like thin doll-ish nose correct. So we just went with this and it turned out okay. Like everything I do, it turned out okay. Okay? Just trying to blend it in. I also never really know how to blend in the contour on your nose, because every time I do, I just end up blending it far too much and then you can't see it, and there's no point in having it on my nose then. But we tried, and then we're doing a little bit of concealer to highlight the bits where I wanted them to highlight. I don't even know what I'm talking about. My voiceovers are always just kind of all over the place, aren't they? Like, they really are. But I'm all over the place. I'm not having a good time of it at the moment, so hence I'm all over the place. And if I just look like I'm talking to myself at some points in this video, or I just start dancing, it's because I was listening to music and I just started singing along to the music at times, and then I forget though that I'm like recording and being like there, like, oh yeah, they can't hear the music. But anyway, and now we're doing a bit more concealer under the eyes, and I don't know if I had a plan. I did a little bit. I even looked for like inspiration on Pinterest for this one. It's amazing. I had a bit of a plan, and I'm also just trying to make myself look like I've got a tan. Like I've been out in the sun. I have been out in the sun. It's not my fault the sun came up for 2 days and then it's just been murky and grey for the rest of the week. But I was like, we can make myself look tropical and Malibu Barbie-esque with bronzer. It's fine. Look, I look like I have a bit of colour. It's amazing, right? And here's me showing that I'm actually a little bit ambidextrous too. I can use both hands, if you will. Or like, they say both sides of your brain, but we do use both sides of our brains, don't we? Like all the time. Anyway, yeah, I'm a little bit ambidextrous. Sometimes I can do my makeup with both hands, which does make it a little easier. Not gonna lie, but apparently anyone can be ambidextrous. You just have to train yourself. Like we had to train ourselves when it came to writing as children. You can train yourself to be ambidextrous, apparently. Surgeons do it. I read a book about a surgeon which was actually really upsetting when I was at university, but yeah, surgeons actually will train themselves to be ambidextrous because then it makes their job a hell of a lot easier. Random fact of the day with Joe, I suppose. Did I even introduce myself at the beginning of this video? Nope, I did not, did I? Hi guys, I'm Joe, aka Commitment Issues. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am a poet, a self-published poet, and a makeup enthusiast, and here we are. I also didn't do like my ending of the video where I like put my hand over the camera either. I don't know what was going on with my brain. I don't know what's going on with my brain. I mean, I do know what's going on with my brain. A lot is going on with it, and it makes doing this just a little bit more difficult at times, and I forget random things, and I have ADHD and trauma, so I forget things anyway, but I just end up forgetting even more. When my brain's not working, it's fun, it's great, it's amazing, it's lovely. How are you? Are you amazing and lovely? You are, because you're watching this video, and if you got to this far, if you got this far into the video, you're amazing and lovely. Thank you very much. Drop a comment telling me that you got this far through the video and that you're amazing and lovely, so I know. Now we're getting onto the eyes, and I did have a bit of an idea, because like I said, I actually looked these kind of looks up to be like before I did this video, and it was like, right, pink and blue, we're going for pink and blue, yes, and we're gonna try and make me look a bit dollish, to be honest, and try and work with those lovely hoods I have. Even though I've looked at my eyes, right, and like, I don't have really big hoods. I've seen other people who have like really like big hoods, so I'm a little like lucky in that regard, I suppose, when it comes to makeup, because my eyes aren't super hooded, but they are hooded, and that just makes things a little more difficult. Everything's just more difficult right now, isn't it? Oh my goodness, talking for this long is also difficult. Because it's like commentary, what you're doing on screen. I'm like, yes, now I'm putting blue over the pink, and then under the pink. There we go, beautiful. Look at that precision lining, it's absolutely lovely. Just dabbing it, and now we're we're going to put a little bit of blue under that bit of pink, like next to it. Blowing the brush, you know, I always say you're not supposed to really blow the brushes, but I just blow. No. Moving on. We're going up into that crease a bit, and we're going to connect the blue to the pink, and now we're putting a bit of, I think, like glittery shimmery blue on. Yeah, we are, because, you know, Barbie, you gotta have glitter and sparkle and shimmery stuff on your face if you want to be a Barbie doll. Who's looking forward to the Barbie movie? I actually haven't looked at like any information about it, but I know for a fact it's not what we think, like at all, because I've seen a trailer and it's like, wait, why are Barbie and Ken going to the quote real world? What's that all about? And why are all these people Barbies? I've heard that it's supposed to be like Truman Show meets Barbie. And if you haven't seen The Truman Show, I highly recommend that film. It is a Jim Carrey film, and in my opinion, one of the best ones that he's ever created and has starred in. It's fantastic, and apparently that's what the Barbie film is supposed to be a bit about, and I don't know why I'm pulling her face like that. Oh yeah, the eyebrows. I tried to do my eyebrows. I don't do my eyebrows, and that's why. I don't like how I look when I fill in my eyebrows. They're still a little bit filled in because I couldn't get all the stuff off of them, but yeah, I don't like how it looks. Maybe because I'm just not used to it, but like, nah. I just feel like they're really thick, and my eyebrows are quite thick too, so maybe if I had thinner eyebrows it'd look a bit better, but I'm not going to like just do that to my eyebrows. I'm sorry about the background noise. Okay, where were we? Nearly finished. Alright, nearly done doing actual fake eyelashes this time. The last two looks I've done, I'm like, can I be asked with fake eyelashes? This time, yeah, let's do them, because I feel like this is the kind of look that you need the big lashes with, you know? So we're doing some fake eyelashes here. And voila, there is the finished look. What do you guys think? I really liked it. I also loved my hair here. Maybe I'll do a video on how I got my hair like that, because I realised I may not actually have straight hair and I keep brushing the waves out. But anyway, thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.